So, yes, in the previous lecture, we learned about the representation of a binary tree. Can somebody tell me in what all ways can we represent a binary tree?
We're using array and linked list.
Array representation and linked list.
Okay. Can somebody tell me the advantages of using array? Hmm?
Direct
Advantages.
access, direct access to any of the nodes which is required to access.
Okay. Yes, correct. And disadvantage?
As array is static, so there is wastage of memory.
Good. And what about the advantage of using a linked list?
As it is a dynamic, so there is no wastage of memory.
Okay. And yes, so we had covered all that. Okay. Now, can somebody please solve this question? I'll ask somebody to show it to me. All of y'all, if you can see the screen, please solve this question. Represent the following binary tree using array. So I give you 2 minutes. Please solve it. And then somebody will share it to on the screen. Once done, please let me know. You all can see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do it fast. I'll call it somebody. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Have you all done completed? So this is the formula. And yes, you get it like this. Have you all got it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
about
ma'am.
others? समझ कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो समझ में आया कि नहीं Have you all got it like this, everybody? Yes, students, are you all with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, समझ में आया ना? Like A is the parent node. So where will you place B? You will place B in the position 2 into n plus 1. What is the value of n here?
0.
0.
0. So B will be placed at 1 position. Similarly, C will be placed as 2 into n plus 2 position. So where is C going to be placed at?
2.
Second
2.
position, 2.
Yeah. Now B doesn't have any children, so we'll take C as an example. Now, where are you going to place D? So what is the index of C? What is the index
2.
of C?
2
2. So where are you going to place D? 2 into 2
at
plus
5.
1. Yeah, at 5. And E will be placed at 2 into 2 plus 2, which gives you 6.
6.
Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So yes, now next topic is how to convert a generic tree or an n-array tree to a binary tree. So what do you mean by a generic tree is, as I told you, a binary tree. Can you tell me the feature of binary tree? Property of a binary tree?
It has at most 2 nodes.
Yeah, it contains at most 2 child nodes, right? So in a generic tree, it is not necessary. A node can have any number of subtrees or any number of children. So that is called a generic tree. Now, how to convert a generic tree to a binary tree? That is what we are going to learn. So what is the rule saying? The root of the binary tree is the root of the generic tree. So what is the root of this tree here? Yes, students, what is the root of this tree? A is the root of the tree. Good. So, the binary tree root will also be the same, A. Now, what they say is the left child of a node in a generic tree is the left child of that node in the binary tree. So, which is the left child of this tree? When you're taking A as a node, which is the left
B.
child?
B.
B. So you can see in step 2, the left child of the generic tree of a particular node is going to be the left child of the binary tree also. So A's left child is going to be B. That is step 2, if you can see it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is going to be the right? So the right sibling of any node in a generic tree is the right child of that node in the binary tree. Matlab, A ka, sorry. Now, which is the sibling of B? Can you tell me? Which is the sibling of B?
E.
C and D.
C and D. So, which is the just right sibling?
C.
C is the just right sibling. So C is going to be the right child of the node under reference. So which is the node under reference? B. So B's right child is going to be C. समझ में आया क्या? I'll repeat it once again. Step 1. A is going to be the root node itself because a root node of the generic tree is going to be same as that of the binary tree. Step 2 में क्या है? Since A is under reference, the left node or left child of A is going to be the left child of A in binary tree also. So A's left child is going to be B. Third, what it says is the right sibling of the node under reference. So right now the B is the current node. So the right sibling is what? C. C is going to be the right child of that node. So C is going to be the right child of B. Is it clear now? Yes, students, are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
And B का left child कौन सा है? Which node will be B's left child?
E.
E, because that goes to the rule second, which says the left child of the node is going to be the same in binary tree. So that is step 3. So A's left child is B, B's right child is C, and B's left child is E. उतना समझ में आया क्या? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now going to the next part. Now you're taking C. Now, which is the right sibling of C?
D.
D is the right sibling of C. So where is D going to be placed at?
Right side of C.
It's going to be the right child of C. Is everybody with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so
Yes, ma'am.
D is going to be the right child of C because D is the right sibling of C in the main picture. So which is going to be the left child of C?
SGH.
GH कैसे? Left child of C.
और
C
मैम
का
F.
left child कौन है? हाँ, सबसे left. F. So F is going to be the left child of C. That is step 4. समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now go to the next part. Does D have a right sibling?
No.
No. So D will not have a right child. Okay. So which is the left node of D?
I.
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 So D is going to get a left child called I in step 5. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, now going to I. Does I have a right sibling?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if
ma'am.
I has a right sibling, which node is going to be the right child of I?
J.
J.
J. So that is step 6. Okay. Now, does J have a right sibling?
No.
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 No. Does J have a left child?
Yes.
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 So J's left child is going to be
K.
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 That is step 7. Okay. Now, which is remaining? What is remaining? We have G and H not taken. So G is whose right sibling?
F.
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 F's.
F.
So F's right child is going to be G. And G's right sibling is H. So G's right child is going to be H. वैसे सब नोड कवर किया है कि नहीं चेक करना पड़ेगा. समझ में आया क्या सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay. Now come, you're going to solve this and tell me the answer for this. Do it fast. Everybody take a piece of paper. Do it and solve it and tell me how it will be. This is a generic tree. You have to convert it to a binary tree. Do it fast. सबको screen दिख रहा है ना? Everybody can see the question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it. Remember the rules and based on the rules, please do it fast. See, it's a 6 marks question. If you get it right, you get the entire 6 marks. During the exam, please, you have to list out the rules before you solve it. Right now, you need not directly solve it, but in the exam. Yes, students, are you all doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
When you are done, please let me know. Okay, done? Yes, students. Complete हुआ? Anybody completed? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कंप्लीट हुआ? कंप्लीट किया? See that you cover all the nodes. हुआ क्या? Yes, students, are you all there? Are you all doing?
Yes,
अभी तक
ma'am.
खत्म?
Ma'am, actually having doubt in that H node, as the D node is not having the sibling and left also. So do we have to consider that H node?
Yes, what did you say? D, this is D's right child, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yes, can you show me what you have got? What is the rule? First one is A. A is going to be the root node of.
Root node.
Okay. Then comes what?
B.
You get it. B is
B.
hmm?
B.
B.
B is the
Yeah.
left side. Left.
Yes. So you get it as B is going to be the left child. Okay. Then, which is the sibling of B?
C.
C is going to be
C.
the right node of
B.
B. And left node of B is going to be
E.
E. Fine. Now take, yes, C. Which is the right sibling of C?
D.
D.
D. Okay. And left child of C is
F.
F.
F. Okay. Now, which is F's right sibling?
G.
G.
G. So, F right child becomes G. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, here they have taken D's right child as H, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Actual, as per rule, D's right sibling should be the right child. Yes, so H, I, J, K, I, this I have to confirm. Because as per rule, D doesn't have a right sibling. Right? That was your doubt, no? Okay. So this I will just confirm it and I'll let you know tomorrow how these people got it like this, because they have directly taken it as a right child, but it cannot be a right child. Then H should be at the root node. It cannot come like this. Okay, fine. Rest till D, is it clear to everybody? Don't take the sub part of that tree from H. Till D, everybody got it clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think G's right child will be H.
Yes?
I think G's right child will be H, not D's.
No, no, no. G's right child H है तो G का सिबलिंग होना चाहिए ना H. G is H the sibling of G? It is coming from another parent, right?
Yes, yes.
Understood? Yes. Okay. Now we'll
Yes,
see another
ma'am.
example then. Tell me about this then. Which is going to be the root node?
10.
10.
10. Okay. And which is going to be 10's left node?
8.
8.
8.
And which is okay, 8 you get. Now, which is the right sibling of 8?
15.
15. Okay, so 15 is going to be the right child of
8.
8. And left child of 8 is going to be
9.
9.
9.
I hope everybody is doing it. Yes, now take 15. Okay, which is the sibling of 15? 18. So 18 is going to be the,
Right side of 15.
yeah, it's going to be the right child of 15. And 15's left child is going to be
11.
11. Fine. Now take 18. Does 18 have a sibling?
No.
No. So 18's left child is going to be 9.
19.
Okay. Then you see 15. Okay. Now which is remaining? 19. Now take 19. What is the sibling of 19?
20.
20.
20. Okay. So now 20 is going to be right child
Right
of?
side of 90.
Very good. And does 19 have a left child?
No.
No. Now which all nodes are remaining?
13, 14, 16, 7.
16.
Okay, now 13 is going to be the right sibling of 11. So it's going to be the right child of
15.
13
11.
is
11.
the right
11.
11. So 13 is going to be the right child of 11. Okay, and 14 is going to be the right child of 13. Yes, it's going to be the right child of 13. Very good. Yes. Then next, which is remaining? 7 is remaining, right? Okay. Now 7, yeah, 7 is the left child of 9, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So is this the image you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this one, the image given below, which is going to be the root node?
A.
A is going to be the root node. Okay. And the left child of A?
B.
B.
B. Okay. And B's right sibling is?
C.
C.
C. Okay. So B's right child is going to be C. And B's left child is going to be
E.
E. Yes. Okay. Now, what else is, now we are in C, which is C's right sibling?
D.
D.
D is going to be the right child of C, and C's left child is H.
H.
Okay. Now, does D have a right sibling?
No.
So D's left child is
J.
J. Okay. J's right sibling is
K.
K.
K. So K is going to be the right child of J.
J.
Clear? Now, which
Yes,
all
ma'am.
nodes are remaining?
F.
Can you
G.
tell me?
F. G.
F is the
FG.
right sibling of
E.
E.
E. So it is going to be the right child of,
E.
E.
and G is the right sibling of
F.
F. So it's going to be the right child of F.
F.
So
F.
did you get the image like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to all now? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So yes, so these are the two things you all have to do for homework. Okay, I hope you've understood how to convert a general tree into an equivalent binary tree. And another question is, what is the array representation and the linked list representation of the given tree? You all can do it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, now next is binary tree traversals. Okay, so how to traverse a binary tree? So we have three traversals. in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal. Okay, today we'll learn in-order traversal. Okay, you can see the, can you see my slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the algorithm says when you traverse using in-order traversal, first you traverse the left subtree and then you visit the node, then you traverse the right subtree. For example, you go to the subtree. So subtree of the root node 1 is what? 2, 4 and 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Left subtree of the root node is what? You all can see the screen. Subtree कौन सा है? 2, 4
Yes,
and 5
ma'am.
ही है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Yes, ma'am.
उसमें लेफ्ट नोड कौन सा है?
2,
2.
2 and
You
4.
take the subtree now. You take the subtree 2, 4 and 5. उसका लेफ्ट नोड कौन सा है?
4.
4.
4.
Okay. Yes. So what they are saying is traverse the left subtree. That means you'll go through the left part of the from the node and you reach at the leaf node. So that is 4. And yes, so you get 4 as the first node. Then they say visit the root. So from 4 you go back to the root of 4. Which is the root of 4 or the parent of 4? 2.
2.
So for next node visited will be 2. Then they say traverse the right part. So when you go to the right side, only 5 is there. So which is the next node visited?
5.
5. So yes, so it comes like this: 4, 2 and 5. After that, you don't have any subtree to visit beyond 5. So you go back to 2 and then what, from 2 you go to 1 because next you have to visit is 1 because
The
left
root.
subtree is completed. Then they say visit root. So you visit. Yes, students, are you all there with me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then you
Yes,
visit
ma'am.
1 और उसके बाद right. तो right जाएंगे तो सिर्फ 3 है. So the last node to be visited is 3. So the traversal will be 4, 2, 5, 1, 3. Have you all understood that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So an example. Can you all see how it is done? So first you go to the left part. Which is the left part? Left subtree कौन सा
1
है?
sub
2,
4.
2, 4 and 5, right?
5,
So as per the algorithm, first node you're going to visit is which? Left. Which is the
4.
left? 4. Yes. Then you visit the root. That is 2. समझ में आ रहे हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then after 2 you revisit the right. So which is 5.
5.
5.
And since the left subtree is done, you go to the root again. So which is the root? 1.
1.
1.
Then you go to the right side. Yes.
Yes.
हाँ, तो राइट साइड में जाएंगे तो अगेन वो नोड को फिर से लेफ्ट है तो वो लेफ्ट पार्ट कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. सो लेफ्ट में जाएंगे तो 6 and 8 is there. 6 doesn't have a left child, so 6 doesn't have a left child. Then it'll come to right, which is 8. वो पोर्शन समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then after
Yes, ma'am.
completing that, you come to 3 back. And after 3, you go to the right, that is 7. So the nodes visited will be 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 8, 3, 7 in that order. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes.
about others? Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the function, that is if it is not null, you first traverse the left, then the route, that is you print the data, and then you traverse the right. So this is how you will be writing the function. Just go through the function, see if you understand. If temp, that means if the node is not null, you first traverse the left of that, you print the data, and then you traverse the right. Clear? And this is going to be a recursive call. समझ में आया क्या सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, this is the homework you have to do. Show in order traversal. Can you all do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, that's it. So we have covered what all topics today. We saw how to do or if a given question, we know how to convert it to an array representation or a link representation. Then we saw how to convert a generic tree to a binary tree. And we saw the first traversal, that is in order traversal. So any doubt in the topic so far taken?
Ma'am, while converting that generic tree into the binary tree, if the node is containing the center node, that is not exactly left and right. So what are we
So
supposed to assume that?
if the center node becomes a right sibling of the left node, right? है ना?
Ma'am, it's only having the center node, not left and right.
Okay, in that case, you take it as either left child. You take it as a left child.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because it's not specified, because center there is nothing, there's no rule based on the center. So if you feel there is only one center or one node given as a child, take it as a left child.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, anything else? I hope it is clear. Any doubt in today's topic?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, I have arranged a lecture at 11:30. So I would like request you all to join. Everybody should join, as the attendance will be recorded. So it is based on the topic called dictionary. So dictionary was actually a part of the syllabus as per the previous data structure syllabus, but right now it is not there in your revised syllabus. Okay, so but still I have arranged an expert lecture on it at 11:30. So I'll be sharing a link in your group. Both A and B division should join it. So it will be 10 to 15 minutes lecture. Your attendance will be monitored, and see how a dictionary is different from a hash table and a skip list. Is it clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
we shall meet again at 11:30. I'll be sharing a Google Meet link. Okay, so I request all to join at 11:30. Is it clear? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
everybody? And it'll be finished by within 10 to 15 minutes if you all join quickly. And then at 12 o'clock, you all can attempt your unit test. I hope I make everything is clear to everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you all. See you in the next lecture. Please do your homework and